Hey guys, Nancy Kowalik here, and I'm excited. We're going to be at Naples on Wednesday night from 5 to 8 p.m. Real Estate Renegades, which is Rob Bunis, Bob Barnhart, and myself, and we're going to be talking about all things real estate. So we have different brokerages, different ways to skin a cat, different ways to make good money in this business, and we want to share some of those things with you. Talk to you about some of the things going on in this marketplace, like buyer's agency. There's a lot coming down the pike on that. I know there's a lot of you that have questions about my infamous $1 commission. So no blasting on Facebook. Save it for in person. Come see me at Naples and let's have that discussion. I know you feel like it made you unworthy, but that's not what it was about. And really, you never took the time to ask that question. So come on out and ask it, and let me give you a good answer. Real Estate Renegades at the Naples at the Warehouse in Mullica Hill, Wednesday from 5 to 8 p.m. Lots of good things are going to be discussed, and then we're going to have happy hour and some good food and some great networking opportunities. I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody out there. And right now, go out and make it a great day.